Hi. What's up? So I am back. Yeah. So today is another baking video, but with a twist. I thought I'd add a little Q&A in here. So on Instagram today I posted for everybody who follows me there to ask me some questions, and so I got a good amount of questions, so I'm going to be answering those, as well as y'all are going to see me baking. We're using Christie's lemon bars. Let me get some agua because I'm thirsty. I should probably read the ingredients. So to add water, not a lot though. I need to add 3 eggs. Sorry you can't see this part, but I mean, I don't know. Do you guys really want to see this? It says lemon mix. So all of that unhealthy stuff there. Grab a whisk. Here's that. Yum. Ooh, so I don't have like grease to grease the pan. I can use a spray, right? Right? It says non-stick, so we're just gonna use this. We've run into a problem. So our microwave just broke, so I don't know how I'm gonna melt the butter. We were doing so good. We're gonna use this obnoxiously large pan. Warm up butter for like 30 seconds. Okay. Just gonna put all of that in there. Kind of worked, kind of didn't. It's kind of useless. So we have the partially melted butter. And we're gonna add the crust mix. I'm just mixing this with my hands because this doesn't. Probably need to melt the butter more, but I don't want to, so here we are. Anyways, I think this looks like a dough form, right? We're gonna say it's good and hope that it's good. So we're just gonna pour this in the pan and then pack it down. I don't know, folks. I don't know if this is looking right. Also, I plan on filming this tonight and having it uploaded tomorrow, so let's see how that goes.
Yeah, that didn't work out.
Okay, so this does not look pretty at all and does not look right, but we got the crust down. We'll get to the questions. Honestly, baby, I just need a thug. So I have like 3 minutes left for that, but I figured I'd start my Q&A now because why not? So the first one is, why are you so cute? Aw, thanks. I'm not cute. I'm me. Let's see. Who's your lover? Well, this one ties in with who's my BFF. Basically, Jalen, my boyfriend, you've seen him in a few videos. He's basically my best friend. He also is my worst friend, and but I love him for that. So, I love you. How does it feel to look like Zendaya? Aw, thank you. Like whenever I'm trying to like do like a celeb lookalike or anything, like I don't really think of anything, but I do. I'm like, oh, Zendaya. Maybe it's just because I have curly hair, I'm brown, and I'm tall. Maybe that's why, but who knows. Next person says, how do you handle the time management of work, school, and editing / making videos? Ooh. For those who don't know, I don't go to school right now primarily. I actually go to work more. I have 2 online classes. I had 1 on-campus class, but it was like a accelerated class, so it was only 8 weeks. So I finished that in October. So I'll just kind of go based off of that. Online classes are like good and bad. So you don't have to like go anywhere. You can do it on your own time. But that's the thing. Like you have to do it on your own time. If not, you're gonna get behind. normally I get 2 days off of work. So I'll try to do as much as I can on those 2 days off to get ahead, and then when I get home, maybe I'll like turn in my assignment. I'll try to edit if I get an extra day off, or like right now, I had some extra time, so I thought it'd be a good time to just kind of pop the camera up and make a quick video. I do a lot more vlogs, if you've noticed, so that's more like easy. If I'm going to do something, I can just kind of bring the camera. Editing, honestly, is probably the thing that I don't have the most time for. So I literally try to do it any extra time I get. So that's, if that in any way describes how I time manage, it definitely goes like, I try to get ahead on school, and then edit YouTube is like on the side. So like if you notice, I was gonna have a set day where I'd upload videos, but that just wasn't realistic because of work. So I just try any extra time I have to either make, edit, and upload a video. I hope that made sense. Oh, I'll take that out. Ooh, okay. Ooh, but okay. So it says pour over hot crust and then bake again. So I'm just gonna stick this back in the oven. Okay, next question. If you could have a superpower, what would it be? I've answered this question a few times and I never really know. I think I want the ability to fly. Let me just do that. I want to be able to fly because I am very busy and I haven't had time to get my license yet. So that would just, you know, I wouldn't need to drive. I could just fly where I needed to be. It'd just make my life so much more easier. But that's not a world we live in, so I gotta learn how to drive soon. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be? Right now, I want to live in LA. Financially, that's a bit hard, you know, but that's why I'm working. Somebody asked tips on how you edit. I don't think I have like a set editing style. I'm cheap and I use iMovie because it's free. I'm just not at that point right now where I'm like, yeah, I can buy Final Cut Pro. Like, we're not there yet. I mean, we can be there. Go ahead and subscribe, but I'm not there yet, so I just use iMovie, and iMovie's pretty self-explanatory. The last question I'm gonna end off this little Q&A is your biggest, most irrational fear. And all my best friends know this, I am terribly and deathly afraid of bugs. Any type of bug. I hate butterflies, I hate ladybugs, I hate worms, caterpillars. I am deathly afraid of spiders. Yeah, I don't like bugs. It's not my thing. Yeah, so I don't know why I did that. That was my little Q&A. If you want more Q&As and stuff, let me know. Yeah, if you're still watching this, comment down below. Lemons. You're an OG if you're still watching right now. Okay, we're gonna check on these now. They should be done, hopefully, ideally. Let's hope. It's done. So basically, fill this cool. Put it in the fridge. And then eat it.
They're fucking delicious.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a teensy bit random, but guys, just sticking with me, you guys. You guys are gonna be so hyped for these next videos. Well, not like you're not gonna be hyped, like I'm hyped, but they're gonna be really good, so maybe you will be hyped. But anyways, thanks for watching. Like I say at every outro, I never know how to end these, so